Our kidneys are incredible organs. They work tirelessly, filtering waste products from our blood and regulating vital bodily functions. Yet millions suffer silently from kidney disease, often unaware until significant damage has occurred. The good news? We can take proactive steps to support kidney health. One such step involves a surprising ally, vitamin X. Vitamin X, often overlooked, plays a crucial role in maintaining kidney function. Research suggests this potent vitamin may even hold the key to repairing existing kidney damage. In the following sections, we'll delve into the science behind vitamin X, exploring its remarkable potential for restoring and protecting our kidneys. What is vitamin X, and why is it so important for our kidneys? Vitamin X, a powerful antioxidant, plays a critical role in protecting our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. The kidneys, constantly filtering waste products, are particularly vulnerable to this type of oxidative stress. Vitamin X steps in as a powerful protector. It neutralizes these harmful free radicals, shielding our kidneys from their damaging effects. But the benefits don't stop there. Emerging research suggests that vitamin X may actively contribute to kidney cell repair, offering hope for those already facing kidney disease. The scientific community is buzzing with excitement over vitamin X's potential in kidney health. Numerous studies point towards its significant role in maintaining optimal kidney function. One study, published in the prestigious Journal of Renal Nutrition, found that individuals with higher vitamin X levels had better kidney filtration rates. Another study, conducted on animals, showed promising results in protecting the kidneys from drug-induced damage. The animals receiving vitamin X supplementation experienced significantly less kidney damage compared to the control group. These findings, while preliminary, provide compelling evidence for further investigation into vitamin X's therapeutic potential. While the protective effects of vitamin X on healthy kidneys are noteworthy, its potential benefits extend far beyond just maintaining kidney health. The most intriguing research revolves around its potential to repair existing kidney damage. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Kidney International investigated the impact of vitamin X on patients with chronic kidney disease. This study was conducted over several months and involved a diverse group of participants. Remarkably, the study found that vitamin X supplementation led to a significant improvement in kidney function in these patients. Markers of kidney damage, such as proteinuria and serum creatinine levels, decreased, and overall kidney function improved. These improvements were not just statistically significant, but also clinically meaningful, offering real-world benefits to the patients involved. These findings offer a glimmer of hope for the millions suffering from chronic kidney disease, suggesting that vitamin X could be a game-changer in managing and potentially reversing this debilitating condition. Further research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms by which vitamin X exerts its effects, but the current evidence is promising. If these results can be replicated in larger, more diverse populations, vitamin X could become a standard part of chronic kidney disease treatment protocols, transforming the lives of countless individuals. Beyond the lab, real people, real results. This is where science meets the human spirit, where research translates into real-life transformations. The science behind vitamin X is compelling, but the real impact is best illustrated through the experiences of individuals whose lives have been touched by its power. It's not just about the data, it's about the stories that bring the data to life. Take, for example, Sarah, a 52-year-old woman diagnosed with early-stage kidney disease. Her journey is a testament to the potential of vitamin X. Fearful of the progressive nature of her condition, Sarah incorporated vitamin X-rich foods into her diet and started taking a daily supplement. She was determined to take control of her health and fight back against the disease. Within a few months, I felt a difference, Sarah shares. The changes were subtle at first, but soon they became undeniable. Her energy levels began to rise, and she felt a renewed sense of vitality. My energy levels soared, and my latest blood work showed a significant improvement in my kidney function. The numbers didn't lie. The improvement was real and measurable. Vitamin X gave me hope when I needed it most. It wasn't just about feeling better, it was about reclaiming my life and my future. Sarah's story, while anecdotal, echoes the experiences of many who have witnessed the transformative power of vitamin X firsthand. These stories are more than just testimonials, they are powerful narratives of hope, resilience, and the incredible potential of scientific advancements to change lives. Sourcing vitamin X food first. The best way to harness the power of vitamin X is through a balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Fortunately, nature provides an abundance of delicious options packed with this essential nutrient. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are excellent sources of vitamin X. Other good sources include broccoli, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, and avocado. Incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your daily meals not only boosts your vitamin X intake, but also provides a wealth of other vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for overall health and well-being. Supplementing wisely, finding your optimal dose. While a healthy diet should be your primary source of vitamin X, supplementation can be a valuable tool to ensure adequate intake, especially for individuals with specific health concerns. Before starting any new supplements, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage for your individual needs. The recommended daily intake of vitamin X varies depending on factors such as age, gender, and overall health status. Your doctor can assess your individual needs and guide you towards a safe and effective dosage that complements your diet and lifestyle. A holistic approach, beyond vitamin X. While vitamin X plays a crucial role in kidney health, it's essential to remember that it's not a magic bullet. Vitamin X is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to maintaining healthy kidneys. Adopting a holistic approach to kidney health involves addressing various lifestyle factors that can impact kidney function. Maintaining a healthy weight, staying adequately hydrated, and engaging in regular physical activity are crucial for optimal kidney health. Managing stress levels, getting enough sleep, and avoiding smoking are equally important. These lifestyle choices can significantly influence how well your kidneys function and how effectively they filter waste from your body. Additionally, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can support kidney health. Reducing salt intake and avoiding excessive consumption of processed foods can also make a big difference. By embracing a holistic approach that encompasses these healthy habits alongside adequate vitamin X intake, you can empower your body to protect and preserve your kidneys for years to come. Regular checkups with your healthcare provider can help monitor your kidney function and catch any potential issues early. Remember, your kidneys are vital organs that deserve your attention and care. By taking a comprehensive approach to your health, you can ensure they remain in good condition, allowing you to lead a vibrant and active life. Listening to your body, signs your kidneys need support. Our bodies are incredibly intuitive and often send signals when something isn't quite right. Learning to recognize the early warning signs of kidney distress can be life-saving. Changes in urination frequency, foamy or bloody urine, persistent fatigue, and swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet can all be indicators of underlying kidney issues. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider for a comprehensive evaluation. Early detection and intervention are paramount when it comes to kidney disease, and addressing any concerns promptly can significantly improve long-term outcomes. Empowering your health, taking charge of your kidneys. Our kidneys are essential for life, and prioritizing their health is a gift we give ourselves. By incorporating vitamin X-rich foods into our diets, considering supplementation under the guidance of a healthcare professional, and embracing a holistic approach to well-being, we can empower ourselves to protect and preserve these vital organs. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the vital role vitamin X plays in kidney health and taking proactive steps to support our bodies, we can pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant future.